Walk your talk is an idiom emphasizing the importance of aligning actions with words. It means to perform actions consistent with what one claims, embodying authenticity and integrity in personal and professional life. As Steve Maraboli said, most people will talk the talk, few will walk the walk. Be amongst those few. The importance of walking your talk, building trust and credibility. Consistency between words and actions builds trust. Leaders who walk the talk create environments of sustained success and consistent standards. Anthony Robbins challenges us to live what we teach. Leadership and influence. Leaders who embody their values inspire others. When leaders walk their talk, they empower and engage their teams, fostering a high-performing culture. Chris Gardner. Chris Gardner advises walk that walk and go forward all the time. Personal integrity. Aligning actions with words reflects personal integrity. Olympia Dukakis noted that few people truly walk the talk, highlighting the rarity and value of this trait. Challenges in walking your talk. Risk and accountability. Walking your talk involves taking risks and being accountable for actions. It requires courage to face challenges and admit mistakes. Consistency in actions. Maintaining consistency can be difficult, especially under pressure. Leaders must remain vigilant to ensure their actions reflect their stated values. Now we are going to conclusions. Walking your talk is essential for building trust, credibility, and effective leadership. By aligning actions with words, individuals can inspire others and create meaningful change. As we strive to embody this principle, we should remember Anthony Robbins' words: make your life a masterpiece, walk your talk. Have a good day. Goodbye.